Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of One to Step. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to deactivate your Facebook Messenger. Watch the video till the end without skipping and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to deactivate your Facebook Messenger, you'll need to first deactivate your Facebook account. Tap open your Facebook Messenger application and sign into your account if necessary. Once you're signed into your account, tap on your profile picture at the upper left corner. Now, from this page, scroll all the way down and tap on Account Settings. Once the Account Settings options opens, scroll all the way down under Your Information and tap on Account Ownership and Control. Tap on Deactivation and Deletion from this page. In order to deactivate your Messenger, tap on Continue to Facebook Account Deactivation and Deletion at the bottom of the screen. You can see it right here, give it a tap, and on the next page, make sure you've selected Deactivate Account option. If you want to delete your account permanently, you can choose Delete Account option at the bottom. Now, after you're done, tap on Continue to Account Deactivation. You'll need to type in your password in order to deactivate your account. In case you've forgotten your password, you can tap on Forgot Password link at the bottom and reset to a new password, and then come back to this page and type in your password. Once you're done, tap on Continue, and on the next page, go ahead and select any reason you're trying to deactivate your account. If you wish to automatically reactivate your account, go ahead and tap on this drop-down menu and select the day from the options to automatically reactivate your account in certain days. You can also set it to Don't Reactivate Automatically if you want to reactivate your account manually. Now, go ahead and select any region from the options below, or you can go ahead and type in your own region in the text field. Once you're done, tap on Continue, scroll all the way down, and tap on Continue one more time. Before you deactivate your account, it says that your Messenger account will remain active unless you deactivate it from the Messenger app. Even after you deactivate, your friends can still invite you to events, tag you in photos, or ask you to join a group. If you opt out, you'll not receive these invitations or notifications from your friends. To option out from receiving future notifications from Facebook, tap on this box. Once you're sure you want to deactivate your account, tap on Deactivate My Account at the bottom, and your Facebook account has been deactivated successfully. Now go and tap open your Messenger application. Now, once you've deleted your Facebook account, you can easily find the Deactivate Messenger menu within the Messenger application. Tap on your profile picture at the upper left corner and then scroll all the way down to Legal and Policies. You'll be able to see a Deactivate Messenger option displayed on the screen. Tap on Deactivate Messenger. One more time, tap on Deactivate on the next page, and you have successfully deactivated your Facebook Messenger as well. That is how it is done. In order to deactivate your Facebook Messenger, you must first deactivate from your Facebook account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.